Hello, what's going on guys? It's me Anafan again, and today's video I'm going to show you how to make a DIY mobile stand from plastic bottle. So let's get started. Step number 1. Prepare the tools. So here in this video, I'm going to use a plastic bottle, a part of my leftover mount for an action camera, a rubber band, and a mobile holder that we often attach it to a tripod. Just in case that you don't have that part of the tripod mount, then I recommend to get a screw to attach the mobile holder onto the plastic bottle's cover. Now, let's move to the next step. Step number 2. Roll the rubber band around the mount. This step is to make sure the rubber band will cover the outside of this part of the mount, and therefore it will make a round shape that fits into the plastic bottle's mouth. And this way we are turning the mount plus its rubber band into a fitting bottle's lid. Make sure your rubber band is thick enough here. Step number 3. Attach the mobile holder onto that mount. Alright guys, after the mount sticks on well, let's screw the mobile holder in. Make sure you do put some water or perhaps half of the bottle's net weight to have the bottle mobile standing firmly. Step number 4. Get your phone on and start using this mobile stand. Now get your phone into the mobile holder as normal, and voila! You get the mobile stand holder from these household items. This plastic bottle mobile stand is such a great tool for rounding video record. When you put this on a flat or smooth surface and start rolling it on different angles with a slide moving, making a good smooth video recording. Just try it out. And one more thing, you can put this mobile stand on your working desk for a phone holder or record front camera in a video. Notice that you can fit these two sets into different bottles with different heights. Next video, let's try on more ways to make mobile phone holder as well. Thanks for watching this video guys. I hope this video helpful to you, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye for now.